Everyone's racing to build AI automation agencies right now, but 90% of them will literally never land a single paying client. And it's not because their automations don't work. It's because they are trying to sell to the wrong market. And the winners, well, they automate where the money is already flowing. Let me show you what I mean. All the gurus talk about high ticket clients. Most of these niches rely almost entirely on outbound efforts to get customers, things like paid ads, content marketing, or direct outreach. And because of that, most of them are already using the built-in tools that come with the software platforms they're running their campaigns on. Now compare that to local businesses, plumbers, med spas, gyms, restaurants, and whatnot, where people are already searching for these services every single day. This is where the AI opportunity lies. Statistics show that over 60% of the calls and website visitors for small businesses, they fall through the cracks. Those are real inbound customers with real buying intent, and most businesses are simply missing out. That's what I mean when I say go where the money is already flowing. Because once you focus on inbound driven businesses, then you can plug in what I call the AI Trinity. 3 simple systems that help these businesses make more money without changing how the business already runs. Let me show you. You ever been to a website and there's that little leave us a message box in the corner? You know, the one that nobody ever uses. If a website visitor has a question and they don't have time to dig around the website, or maybe it's after hours and no one's there to answer, they usually just leave. And statistically, most of those visitors, they never come back. That's a potential customer gone forever. Now, imagine that same visitor instantly chatting with a live trained AI assistant that can answer their question and even book them on the business calendar 24/7. That is what the AI web agent does. Check it out. In our AI software here, you can customize exactly what this widget looks like. Right now it says, hey, I'm online. How can I help? You can change colors, fonts. You can change what messages go through, title, intro, all kinds of customization here, all AI driven. And the best thing is it's trained on the company's website, so it knows everything about the business. But what happens when people skip the website and they call directly? Most small businesses, they miss around 60% of their calls, even during the day. That could literally be $1,000 job gone multiple times a month. Maybe they're on another line, maybe it's after hours, but those missed calls, they add up, especially month over month. That's where the AI phone agent comes in. It answers instantly, 24/7, books appointments. It can even send a full call transcript straight to the business owner's cell phone. Check this out. Jump back into our AI software here. To set this up, all you got to do is grab a phone number, set your agent goals, what you want to do during the call, what you want to do after the call. Pop in the details, business name, opening message. You can even choose the voice. There's all these different types of voices here. And when you're ready, you can do a live test right inside the AI software. Now, once those new customers start rolling in, there's one more thing that really scales the results. When you search for a business on Google, what's the first thing you notice? The reviews. How many stars do they have, right? Businesses with hundreds or even thousands of reviews, they're not doing that manually. They're running automated systems behind the scenes, and that is what the AI review system does. It automatically sends review requests and even replies to them in real time, which builds customer trust, boosts rankings on Google Maps, and drives new traffic to the business. Right here it is. Jump back over here. So here's an example where we set this up. You have your agent. There's all kind of preset instructions already in here. You can choose your tone. And here's an example response preview here. So it says, thank you, Chris, for your kind words about our delicious food. We appreciate your feedback on the wait time and are actively working to ensure a more efficient dining experience. Now you notice there, it addressed the complaint that the person had. That's already built in the prompt here. It says, first begin by expressing gratitude for the review, acknowledging the customer's feedback, or highlighting their positive comments. For any concerns, address them concisely and provide clear, well thought out explanations. All right, guys, so all that together is what we call the AI Trinity. We go through this in lesson 2 of my Skool community, AI Trinity Advantage, the Universal Offer. This is a 10-module course to take you from 0 to your first paid client in 90 days. We've even got daily and weekly live training available. Just comment start down below and I'll send you the link. See you on the next one.